I woke up at 5:30 again. Always try to wake up at 5, but I always snooze my alarm. Turning on my laptop. I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth. We got face wash, so I'm really excited. I need to stop doing that. I'm playing music because I actually want to listen to music this morning. Now that I wash my face and everything and I see how clear my face is, I'm actually kind of excited to put makeup on because I haven't put makeup on in like 2 days, like actually like eyeliner and everything. I do have like, my forehead isn't the best, but like my cheeks and stuff are really soft. So yeah, and we also got mascara, so that's like really exciting. Alright, I'll tell you guys when I'm done with my makeup. So I'm done. I finished at 6:08. I started probably at like 40. So yeah, I went with like an emo look today. Like, I usually only do this at home. I've never worn it to school except on Halloween. I wore it, but that's like on Halloween. But it's like eyeliner. The only thing that makes it emo is the blue under my eyes. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go wake up Pumbaa so she can get ready or whatever, and then ended up going to sleep anyways, but she always gets mad at me if I don't wake her up at 6 or 6:10 or whatever. But she does not like being waked up with the babies when me and my mom are about to leave at 6:30, and then I need to get dressed, so I need to hurry up and go do that. So you know that layering thing people do, like they would put a flannel over like a sweatshirt like this. Don't mind my room. Well, I feel really stupid. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so this one I feel a little bit better in, like as in the fitting, but like I feel like there's too much going on. Like it looks good from the back, you know, but then like you go to the front and it's not so much. And I'm like sweating because the heater is on, if you can hear it. It's really hot in my room. I don't know, I just feel really dumb. Like I'm just wearing pants. I don't know if I just like go with it and just leave it. Layering thing doesn't work out. I have to put my shoes on.
See if the other nick is right. Boom.
I think it's an S.
It's gonna be a T, guys. Magically oh no, you. Oh, okay. I told you. There is a T in it.
I'm so sore, it's not even funny.
But hold your breath.
I've got 6 rubber bands. Goals. I bet his name is Spot. Spot. Wait, hold on, let me zoom in. Spot dot. Look at these little dogs. These people just moved in across the street from us. Look at how small they are. Yeah, he's really cute. Why can't we get cute animals?
I don't understand why they just threw that thing in the middle of the yard though.
I'm about to make some avocado toast with fresh avocado. I'm pretty darn dang excited. Shut up! No! What did I say? My mom films, so that's why it's a little bit dirty back there. Hey, get down. Oh my god, I always cut things uneven when I do this. That's a big one.
That's a big one.
Shut up.
Back away.
You back away.
You back away.
Maybe I will.
Yeah, you better. You're annoying.
Yeah. Ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bing bang.
Oh.
You see this? It's not cracky. I'm just trying to play cool. Touch, 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 touch. I could be your crush, 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 crush.
Some rice or lemons?
In that thing.
Rice and chili.
Oh, I didn't make egg whites. I gotta make them.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't spray it.
Smart. I love getting on your nerves.
You're not getting on my nerves. I got on my own nerves.
Don't fire me.
What? I have homework. Dude, I have finals next week. Good.
Wrong.
I think they're in there.
The chili that was in
I think it's bad and I don't think she should be eating it. Right? Your face was me.
You should have tasted it first.
Yeah.
Smelled good. I did?
We'll taste it. It's in there.
It did?
Hey, what?
Hi. I'm about to do some homework. You know how I do. 4:25. Let me just put you right there. Oh. Some homework. I have lots of homework. I have finals next week. I'm taking an AP final for my history class so I can be in AP history next year. So that's fun. I need a new notebook for my language arts class. So I have lots and lots of homework, so I will not run out doing the essay for it. So basically we just prepare for it all week. And then I have a final for art, and I'm kind of freaking out because I can't draw. This is supposed to be a tree, but it ended up being just really thick and stupid. I don't even know what that is. We're not allowed to use black, so you have to like make it black with colors, which obviously I want to do. So I'm gonna use blue and purple to make it like a dark color. But it looks like crap so far, and I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah. Oh my god, and I have a notebook check the 17th, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. And tomorrow I have to go in at lunch to take 2 tests. Because I missed them on Friday. I have to do my vocab test, which literally takes 2 minutes, and then I have to take my Spanish test, which takes like 30 minutes. And I don't have the book to go over stuff, so I'm kind of sort of freaking out about that. All I know is that I have crap to do, and okay, I need to stop vlogging and I need to get shit done because I've been vlogging for 5 minutes now. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm maybe a little bit less stressed. I might have my hair up, I might have changed. I'm wearing pants still, I'm kind of mad. I also need new pants because these are literally going in the trash. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna put makeup on. No. I'm gonna put my hair up right now and maybe I'm gonna, you see my pajama pants over there? I'm gonna put those on. And I'm listening to Crush by Tessa Violet because it's flipping amazing and I love this song so much. And I also am listening to Crush Culture because that's a really good song. And I'm just trying to play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. Cash, cash, cash. Sorry. I fill my calendar with stuff I can do. What's today? The 10th? It's not the 10th, no. Nothing I can teach you, I can tell you, I'm the 10th. Crush culture makes me wanna spill my guts. I don't know what you're doing, trying to get me to pursue your guts. I'll spill my guts. Advantage of me. Tell me how you feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me. I don't know why. Thinking you could.
So I took thumbnails of both, and I don't like it because it looks like I'm looking at your soul, right? But I mean, maybe I should try it.
Try it,
Maybe I'm looking into your soul. I don't know. Like,
you just looked into my soul.
looking.
To the song. Exactly. I'm really gonna listen to this. The song is explicit. I'm not suicidal, I don't wanna fucking die. I just wanna be able to close my eyes and feel alright. Cause every day I feel like dying. Content for this. I'm living the life and I'm battling pain. How thick this is. Trying to find a new outlet, the devil comes in. It's 5:25. Okay, just turned 26. Oh my god. I have like 5 hours. I think I'll just do one full body workout that's like 35 minutes or something. Okay, I'm really stalling. I'm also hungry. We're having fish for dinner. Oh my god. What is it called? Air fryer. Bean. Hi. She looks upset.
I don't like you. I never did. Why are you calling?
You're loud. God.
What? Is there a baby in this house?
Yes. He's in my arms.
Mm-mm. I don't like that one.
He's not a baby?
No, it's tartar sauce.
Oh. So I told myself I would go do my homework after when he walked away. And now he's sleeping. And I can't get up until, oh. So now I have not worked out and I haven't started editing a vlog.
Pack will never move again.
He readjusted to this position.
Perfection.
He got comfier and he's like down here. I think I have decided it's 7:33. If I work out for 40 minutes, I can shower and then edit until I go to bed. Alright, I think I'm gonna work out like right now, so I'm just gonna close Adobe. I was opening it. I'm gonna close it. And now I'm gonna work out. And I decided not to do any more homework because I pretty much finished everything that is due. Pretty much everything else is just stuff that I need to do this week, and I have all week. It's barely Monday. I'll just hella work tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna get home and work out and stuff. That was the cutest thing in my existence. She just yawned and stretched and look at, I mean, she faced her back towards me. Okay, so these are all the workouts I'm gonna do. It looks like a lot, but a lot of them are really short. We're just gonna start because I have no time to stall. I am in a time crunch, honey, let me tell you. Like, I know it seems like I'm making a really big deal out of it, but like, that's just how it is for me. I wanna get stuff done when I wanna get it done. Also, my room is a big, huge mess, so I'm gonna clean it before I go to bed. Oh, it's gonna be embarrassing. Okay, first workout I'm doing is a HIIT workout. It's only 5 minutes long. It's just to get my heart rate up. 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Get it! I almost kicked you. This is just to get my heart rate up. It's like a warm-up. I used to do this all the time.
Of Wi-Fi hotspots, free talk and text, and all designed.
Put you on repeat, play you everywhere I go, everywhere. Yeah, wanna put this on play you everywhere I go. Yeah, wanna put this on
If I look in pain, I am.
all day, till you want it. Yeah, wanna put this on replay. I can listen to.
Aquafina.
I feel that you're right in front of us, our head up in the stars. Might have had some moments when this all seemed crazy. Life can be a roller coaster, riding highs and lows. They can
Okay, it stopped like 20 seconds before my workout ended, but I'm 14 minutes and 41 seconds into my workout session. Does that sound stupid? Probably. Okay, so I've been working out for 18 minutes. About to do this HIIT workout. I'm listening to Hayley Kiyoko and I'm sweaty. I'm dying. Just finished my HIIT workout and oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna do this butt workout that Gabriella just came out with today. She just uploaded it today, but I need to drink some water because like my side right here is hurting like hella when I jump, and I'm guessing we might jump like do something, but yeah, I'm gonna go drink some water, take like a 2-minute break, and then get back to this. Let me know if you work out, like when you work out, or if you do you sweat like disgustingly? Because I do. Like, I'm one of those people that just, I really get it out there. Like, even when I played soccer, I sweat during games, like, and like my soccer jerseys were all like light colors. Like, I had a pink one. Oh, this one's kind of dark. And then I had a blue one. So like, you bet your booty I was I stopped recording on accident. Okay, every time I work out, I will put all of the workouts I did in this video down below. And I'll try to link my Spotify. Some people want to know my Spotify. So, oh my god. So I'll link it down below. I'm talking way too fast. My arm is hurting because I have noodle arms. And yeah, let's get into this butt workout. And I probably won't show it because I'm putting way too much workout footage in my videos. People giving me crap about it, so. Okay, I'm gonna do one more workout. I'm 33 minutes in. This one's about 6-7 minutes. And then I'm gonna shower. Hopefully my sisters are out by then. My little sisters are showering. And yeah, I really want to shower after this because I am not a cutie. I'm done. I worked out for 38 minutes, which is fine. It's a weekday. I had things to do, so I'm not that like worried about doing it for 50 minutes. It's only 20 more minutes. The only reason why I'm stopping really early, like if I didn't have the vlog, I wouldn't do it, but 38 minutes. That's the workout I did. So, see you guys after I work out and when I end this vlog.